Students, come to our next topic. When revised value of assets and liability are not to be recorded in the books. Students, when we not recorded in the books, that time we will find our sacrifice or gain. When we record like previous method, then we distribute in the old ratio. So here we find sacrifice or gain because we will not record in the books. Come to the example. P, Q and R are in partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:4:3. On 31st March 2013, their balance sheet was as follows. Come to the liability side. Sundry creditors 50,000, outstanding expense 5,000, general reserve 75,000, capital account of PQR, P's capital 4 lakh, Q's capital 3 lakh, R's capital 2 lakh, whole 9 lakh. So liability side total is 10 lakh 30,000. Come to the asset side. Cash at bank 40,000, sundry debtors 2 lakh 10,000, stock 3 lakh, furniture 60,000, plant and machinery 4 lakh 20,000, and the asset side total is 10 lakh 30,000. It was decided that with effect from 1st April 2013, the profit sharing ratio will be 4:3:2. For this purpose, the following revaluations were made. Furniture be taken at 80% of its value. It means it will decrease. Stock be appreciated by 20%. It means it will appreciate. Plant and machinery be valued at rupees 4 lakh. Students, in our question it is given asset side 4 lakh 20,000 and here we valued at rupees 4 lakh. It means it will decrease. Create provision for doubtful debts for rupees 10,000 on debtors. Students, when we create provision for doubtful debts, that time our assets will decrease. It means our debtors will decrease. Outstanding expense be increased by rupees 3,000. Partners agreed that altered values are not be recorded in the books and they also do not want to distribute the general reserve. So students, we will find here sacrifice or gain because they don't want to distribute and record it. You are required to post a single journal entry to give effect to the above. Also prepare the revised balance sheet. Come to the answer. Loss due to decrease in the value of furniture 12,000, loss due to decrease in the value of plant and machinery 20,000, loss due to provision for doubtful debts 10,000, loss due to increase in outstanding expense 3,000. All losses will add, so it will come 45,000. Profit due to increase in the value of stock rupees 60,000. Then we will compare. Our answer will come in profit 15,000. We will add here general reserve 75,000. Then it will come 90,000. Old ratio of P, Q and R 5:4:3. New ratio of P, Q and R 4:3:2. Sacrifice or gain we will find. P's part will come 5/12 minus 4/9. It will come 1/36 gain. So we will find 90,000, 136, 2,500. Q's part will come 4/12 minus 3/9. It will come 0. For the R, we will write 3/12 minus 2/9. It will come 1/36 sacrifice. So 90,000, 1/36. It will come debit. Sorry, it will come credit. Now we will pass our journal entry. P's capital account debit to R's capital account 2,500. Adjustment for revaluation of assets and liability and for reserve on change in profit sharing ratio. Now students, we will make our balance sheet. As at 1st April 2013, liability sundry creditors 50,000, outstanding expense 5,000, general reserve 75,000. Student, these are the adjusted value. capital P 3,97,500, Q 3 lakh, R 2,25,500, whole will come 9 lakh, cash at bank 40,000, sundry debtors 2,10,000, stock 3 lakh, furniture 60,000, plant and machinery 4,20,000, total will come 10,30,000. Now come to the working note. For capital 4 lakh minus 2,500, for P it will come 3,97,500, R 2 lakh plus 2,500, 2,25,500. Thank you, students.